Hey guys, today's review is on the Primode storage vacuum bags. And I've sort of known these existed for a really long time, but I've never used them. And we're at a point now where we're planning a move in the next year, potentially across country. Depends on a few factors where we end up, mostly where my husband gets into a good PhD program and how much they pay him. But anyway, here's what you get. You get a jumbo vacuum, and I'll just hold up the measurements here. 2 extra larges, 2 larges, 3 mediums, 1 medium roll-up, and 1 small roll-up bag. And it comes with a pump, which is nice. I'm going to try these actually with my vacuum. And I haven't tried them yet, so we'll see how that goes. The pump. And, you know, when you're moving cross country, you have to decide, what do you move and what do you just get rid of and buy again? And I can't really see me getting rid of all my towels. That looks like the jumbo. So that's probably a little big for what I need right now. So I decided to practice on a few towels and see what that looks like. Go down a little bit in the stack. Okay. Well, let's just see what happens here. It does have the instructions on the bag, which is nice. It's also on the box. And basically what it says, you see there's a row of stop signs here. And that's the limit of where you want to pack things. Items should be folded only till the fill line. Close it and zip it up. Remove the cap and insert your vacuum hose. Okay, I can do this. So it's basically a giant Ziploc bag. I guess it was, okay, maybe it wasn't already open. Okay, so, it's because I have to, you know, physically open it here. Be smarter than the bag. And I brought along some towels. They're probably not optimally folded, but I think for this it'll be fine. These are just standard size bath towels. Okay. I'm gonna zip it up. And it does have this little zipper helper, so you don't have to. Well, and that just came right off the end, although that looks like that's okay. That helper is just there so that you don't have to use your fingers to press down on the zipper. Okay, so I'm going to take this off. It does actually screw off. I wasn't sure if it just pulled off, but that makes sense because then with the screws helping hold in the suction, if there weren't the screws there, it could just pop right off. I'm going to start my vacuum. This will likely be a little bit loud. And I already have it ready to go here. You know, I have a canister vac, so this just unplugs from the handle. If you have an upright, somewhere your hose will unplug as well. But I doubt I'll be able to talk over the vacuum, so hang tight just a minute. Well, that was easy, right? And what's nice is it looks like this is one way. So I'm putting the cap on, but I purposefully let it sit there for a minute to see if the air would come back out. But they don't even bend anymore. You know, usually when you pick up a towel, it'll fold over. So that's pretty cool. I could see this being useful for things like I have a certain Thanksgiving tablecloth and napkins that I use. And rather than letting them sit out and get dusty all year, I could do this with them and throw them in the closet, and at least it wouldn't really matter what happened to them at that point if I go and open the bag. And let's open the bag and see what happens. And I'm just opening it like a Ziploc. There it goes. It just poofs right back up. Pretty cool. Thanks for watching.